Welcome back guys to my channel. So today we are making a tier tray. Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel. To those who are returning, and if you are new, welcome. Guys, today I have a quick and easy tier tray DIY for you that you can do for the season. So I filmed this tier tray, or I made this tier tray over the summer and just never get around to doing it until a subscriber reached out to me and asked me for the video. So I decided to put it together, and here it is. It's pretty straightforward, so I'll just let you watch and read the captions, and then I'll jump back in at the final reveal. All the supplies I used are at the beginning of the video or on the individual slides. So feel free to pause whenever, wherever, if you need to. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And here we are for the final reveal. Oh my gosh, I love this. I didn't realize how beautiful this is until I started putting the video together. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And this cost me nothing. I actually had everything to make this tray in my stash, and I bought these when Dollar Tree was $1. And here I styled this with some tier tray minis that I made for my 5 under 5 video in November. I will link that in the card above so you can check that out. And if you like budget friendly DIYs like these, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe until next time, and remember the reason for the season, which is Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. Bye.